One man is dead and a driver and female passenger hospitalized in serious condition after a tractor-trailer in which they were traveling lost control and crashed. The incident happened this morning on the St. Anne leg of the Edward Seaga Highway. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Debris scattered over a section of the highway in Miami Bay, St. Anne Friday morning. Onlookers were standing in awe as the police and firefighters processed the scene. According to an eyewitness, at about 7:45 this morning, a tractor-trailer was heading into St. Anne from Kingston when it lost control. The driver tried to access the escape lane but was unsuccessful as the trailer slipped off the escape lane back onto the highway. It then burst into flames.
I was in my kitchen, right down here, and I hear a sound. And when I look through my kitchen window, I see like something in the air, and then I see a ball of fire just pop.
One man died on the scene while 2 others are injured. The residents living in the area accused the police and firefighters of not responding on time. These 3 men say if it weren't for them, the driver of the trailer and the female passenger would have died.
The space of town came down at the very moment, right on that peak of hilltop there. There's a girl shouting out that someone in here is crying out for help. So by the time we reach down towards the fire is high like this, I see a Rasta coming out and a lady. The space of time we have to go about 3 of us, 4 of it, to tell. I have to take her up in my hand.
Just take her out of the truck and bring her come down and so come quick to get her drive with her to put her in her car. And then even tap nothing they want to tap her in.
But the police them down there, they don't want to carry my car. We don't have nobody to care about it because we bring the woman down and the police them there, but they carry her to a doctor and she alright and she just a bleed. We have to find her, we have to turn up in a middle road to stop people care to put the woman in her.
The residents said it's not the first time an accident has happened at that location, and they accused the authorities for not doing enough to address the problem.
This is the second time now Mrs. truck run off at this escape lane. This escape lane is definitely too short. It needs to reconstruct. It's not good enough.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.